Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my 10th lecture for 12th chemistry. In this video, I will discuss temperature coefficient and Arrhenius equation. Temperature coefficient. The ratio of rate constant at two different temperature, which is defined by 10 degrees Celsius, is called temperature coefficient. Means temperature coefficient टू रेट कांस्टेंट का रेशियो है एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर एंड दैट टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस इज 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So thus temperature coefficient equal to K means rate constant T plus 10 degree Celsius by T K T degree Celsius means rate constant K rate constant. This is a ratio of means temperature coefficient is ratio of two rate constant at two different temperature and that different temperature is defined by 10 degrees Celsius. So KT plus 10 degrees Celsius by KT means K 35 degrees Celsius by K 25 degrees Celsius. Two different temperature that is defined by 10 degrees Celsius. So this is called temperature coefficient. Here K is rate constant or velocity constant for chemical reaction. Temperature coefficient is unitless. Temperature coefficient is unitless and dimensionless because it is ratio of same type of physical quantity. तो temperature coefficient same type के physical quantities का ratio है, means rate constant by rate constant. That is why it is unitless or dimensionless, because we know ratio of two same type of physical quantity is unitless and dimensionless. The value of temperature coefficient always lies between 2 to 3. Okay. Now Arrhenius equation. This is one of the important equation or topic of this chapter. Arrhenius was a Swedish scientist. Arrhenius equation. A Swedish scientist Arrhenius studies the effect of rate constant on temperature for various chemical reaction and gave an equation which is known as Arrhenius equation. तो Arrhenius एक स्वीडिश साइंटिस्ट था जिन्होंने रेट कांस्टेंट का स्टडीज टेम्परेचर पे किया, बहुत सारे केमिकल रिएक्शंस का, और लास्टली उन्होंने एक इक्वेशन दिया दैट इज कॉल्ड Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is K means rate constant equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. In Arrhenius equation, taking ln on both sides. So when we take ln on both sides, then ln equal to ln K equal to ln AE to the power minus EA by RT. Now here A in E multiply, that is why ln A plus ln E to the power minus EA by RT. And ln E equal to 1, value of ln E equal to 1. So ln K equal to ln A and this term becomes 1. So minus EA by RT. And when we remove ln, then on the place of ln we put 2.303 log. So 2.303 log K equal to 2.303 log A minus EA by RT. So log K equal to 0.303 log A by 2.303. So 2.303 remove from this 2.303, then log A, this log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Now here K is rate constant of chemical reaction, EA is activation energy, R is gas constant, and value of R is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, and A is Arrhenius constant or frequency factor, E is exponential. E is exponential. Now let us consider K1 and K2 are rate constant of a reaction at T1 and T2 temperature respectively. हमने माना कि यहाँ पर रेट कांस्टेंट K1 and K2 है, टू डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर T1 and T2 पे. देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन स्टार log K1 equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Means from above equation, in the place of K, we put K1, K2, and in the place of T, we just put T1 and T2. So from above equation, log K1 equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT1, equation 1, and same as log K2 equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT2, equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 2 minus 1, when we subtract equation 1 from 2, then we will get log K2 minus log K1 equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT2 minus log 1, equation 1, log A minus EA by 2.303 RT1. So this log A and minus log A will be cancelled. Then log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R, and 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, equation 3. And when we calculate this, then log K1 by log K2 log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Now log K1 by K2 equal to EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T2 minus T1. This is equation 4. Here K1 and K2 are rate or velocity constant of chemical reaction. Okay student, if you face any problem, then you can call me on 7004848 997.